Alright, YouTube fans, we'll do a little different video tonight, a little unboxing video. Some stuff I just picked up tonight. This is a little Schuco racer. I wound it up a second ago. It does work. Schuco Micro Racer. Very cool little car. And we've got a Tootsie Toy fire truck. Missing the ladder. Still really cool. Some kind of motorcycle. Interesting piece. Definitely a little bit older. This looks like a smash-up derby Volkswagen. Pretty wild. It's like it definitely lost the race. Kind of a parts truck here. It's a Corgi crane of some kind. It's older. It's got jeweled headlights. Pretty neat. And we've got a Matchbox fire truck. Looks like it'll clean up pretty nice. Ladder looks like it's there. And we've got a cab to a Corgi fire truck. Hook and ladder. And then we've got a cab to a Matchbox king size, I guess it's a logging truck of some kind. And moving right along, we've got another Jeep CJ6. This might actually be one I don't have. And kind of a newer Hot Wheels. Don't know how some of these newer cars got in there, but a couple of them did. Hot Wheel or Matchbox, excuse me. And this one is Mercury Cougar Rat Rod. Got a Yap Ming Honda Civic. Very neat little car. Siku made in Germany. Matra Simca Rancho. Interesting tailgate. That's an Erdl Ford van. Matchbox. Tow Joe. Like he's missing one hook. And the Matchbox tow truck. This is the Dodge. This is actually a true transitional. But the cab's damaged there. Transitional with the snap-in pieces to hold the wheels on. Topper Johnny Lightning. They always come out with some really funky things. Slingshot. Lone Star Impy dump truck. Guess it's not a dump truck, it's just a permanently mounted bed on there. Matchbox. Well, these are Sky Kings or something. Cessna. Little Tootsie Toy Porsche. Kidco. Fire Chief car. Had a little key spring thing you stuck in the back and take off on you. Matchbox Lesney Denver fire truck. Older Majorette. Scania dump truck. Interesting. Matchbox Roll-O-Matic still works. It's called Weasel, I guess. A little bit newer Matchbox Camaro Z28 in yellow. Got a Matchbox motorhome. Doors there. Hot Wheels. And what that is, Mitsubishi, I guess it says. Okay. What's left of the Matchbox Snorkel fire truck. So I just unboxed these. Nothing's been washed or anything. Pretty rough, but Matchbox Stretcher Fetcher. Got a Trailer Caravan, super fast. I think that's the last issue of that one. Roof's gone missing. Transitional style clip-in wheels. Another Matchbox Lesney, like 65 Ford Galaxy police car. Another Johnny Lightning topper. We didn't have a lot of realistic cars, always some weird, fantastic, called a Wasp. Another Matchbox. Not the greatest condition. Cetra coach. Thin wheel. Matchbox Ford kennel truck. Well, the grill's still there. That's surprising. Not too bad. Grit spreader. Another transitional. Pretty rough. And we got a cement truck, Matchbox. Pretty good shape. Got a horse box. A little bit rare tan bottom. Back door's missing. Well, I'm surprised the driver's still there. A Matchbox Lesney. Lotus. Husky milk truck. Gray tires. Metal base. And last but not least, looks like we've got a Matchbox BP fuel truck. Yeah, she's pretty rough too. Petrol tanker. Just a little overview here. There's some Tootsie toys I've had around for a while. Some of these will end up in my antique mall space. Some will end up in my wrecking yard. There should be a Kenner, I think. Smash 'em up bug. Yeah, it's smashed up alright. General Mills. Kenner. The bumper's still there. Alright, as usual, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More to come.